Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video I'm gonna try to defeat this generic Chinese padlock from Temu. It's a 64mm laminated steel padlock with full brass core and full brass Bible. Usually they make cores and Bibles out of plastic. Practically Bibles always and cores periodically. I'm going to use this improvised McNally tool and we're gonna see is it gonna work or not. And we have it open. So there are no security pins inside. The lock is generic, it's huge, it has ball bearings, really secured padlock, really thick shackle, full steel body, full brass core and the Bible, drainage holes, but it's nothing if you don't have security pins inside. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.